Let me walk you through the carbon fiber front bumper from Seat Motorsport. The splitter is designed by me. It's a template. I'm testing it at the moment and it seems good. Paint it, and then till next season I will manufacture it in carbon fiber also. Fenders also from Seat Motorsport, carbon fiber. Engine is almost 2.1, board up, RPC Motorsport intake, milk performance catch tank, ignition project coils, also known as Okada, plasma coils, custom built exhaust manifold, TL, I don't know if you can see it there, wastegate from TL, 44 millimeters. Turbo is a Garrett GTX 3576 or Gen 2, custom built cold air intake, custom built exhaust also, GA pistons, Tuscan rods. That was 5-stage map, lowest map at 420 horsepower and the highest map at 550 horsepower. I have a Loba high pressure fuel pump, dual pumps in tank, capable of 600 horsepower, 700 horsepower each pump. Gauges, AFR, fuel pressure, boost. This is 4-in-1, exhaust temp, oil pressure, and volt. Tires are Yokohama Advan AR 08, I think they're called. I also have my slicks for the track. So let me walk you through the carbon fiber front bumper from Seat Motorsport. The splitter is designed by me. It's a template.